guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Timmy Skingle, and if you're seeing my face for the very first time, I'm Rachel Elijah. Thank you for being part of our skincare family. Timmy Skingle is where you learn about skincare, simple DIYs. Here we do product review, and of course, I share tips with you to help you achieve that beautiful, healthy, glowing skin. Thank you for being part of our skincare family. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for your support. Yeah, please, our skincare training is going on. So if you're interested, please send me a message via the WhatsApp number on the screen. Okay, we have a natural skincare formulation class. If you're interested in making your own natural skincare product from scratch, very effective product, super effective recipes, then register for this class. Send me a message on WhatsApp. If what you want is pro mixing, we have the pro mixing ebook. So just tell me you want the pro mixing ebook and then we'll talk about it. Pro mixing recipes are very effective and they are super, super safe for your skin. Of course, we also have ebook on whitening based cream. If you want to make your own whitening based cream from scratch instead of buying from the market, you want to make very effective whitening based cream from scratch, we have the ebook for you as well. And if you want to learn how to make whitening activator oil, the ebook is also there. So just send me a message and then we'll talk about it. All right. So today I'll be sharing with you top 10 anti-aging ingredients. So whether you're buying your anti-aging product from the market or you're making your own from scratch, these key ingredients are what you should look at for. Okay, so I'm going to give you a list of the ingredients, and of course I will tell you their properties and their usage rate. Of course, these ingredients have usage rate. You cannot just go and get these ingredients and start mixing because you want to make anti-aging product. Don't just guess. Register for our class, learn from professionals so you do it well and then you get it right. So number one on my list is retinoid. Number two, we have vitamin C, which of course is an antioxidant. And then we have peptides, we have collagen, we have hyaluronic acid, we have sunscreen, we have alpha hydroxy acid, we have vitamin E, and of course we have niacinamide. These all ingredients must not be in a particular product, but these are ingredients you should look at for. When we talk about anti-aging ingredients, these are the key ingredients. These are ingredients that are game changers when we talk about anti-aging. So by incorporating these key ingredients in your skincare regimen, you can help slow down anti-aging process. You can help slow down the aging process by maintaining a healthy, youthful skin. Okay? So your products, whether your anti-aging facial serum or facial cream or body lotion or whatever skincare product you're using that is anti-aging and you want it to give you that anti-aging effect, these ingredients are what you should look at for. It must not contain the whole ingredient, but at least it should contain 2 or 3 or more as the case may be. Okay, so retinoid, it helps to take care of your skin, give you that youthful appearance. It helps to minimize or even eliminate wrinkles and fine lines from your skin. Although retinol is a multi-purpose ingredient, it's not just it doesn't just target anti-aging. It has other skin benefits. But because we are talking about anti-aging today, our focus will just be on that and that alone. And of course, I said these ingredients have usage rate. So if you're working with retinol for anti-aging, you can use it as a percentage as low as 0.02. It's also good for treatment of hyperpigmentation, acne scars. Retinol is very good for that as well. So if you are using anti-aging product and you see in the ingredients section retinoid, know yes, you are in for a good anti-aging treat. So collagen, we all know collagen. Collagen is very popular. In fact, when we talk about anti-aging, the first thing that comes to mind is usually collagen. So you can take collagen, whether you're taking it as supplement or you're using it topically, it's going to give you that anti-aging benefit. You can use collagen in your serum, you can use it in your body lotion, you can use it in your facial cream. It has a whole lot of anti-aging benefits, and it can be used at a usage rate of 1% to 10%. Okay, it can be used as low as 1% and as high as 10%. Collagen helps to, it's a type of protein that helps to provide structure and support to the skin by promoting youthful appearance. So if you really want to top your game when we talk about anti-aging, I would advise you to use it topically and also take it as supplements. There are so many nice collagen in the market, but make sure you get the original. A subsequent video, I'm going to share with you some very nice brands you should patronize when you want to get collagen for anti-aging purpose. Okay, so it helps to plump your skin, it helps to make your skin firm, and of course it promotes youthful appearance. So when we talk about anti-aging, we're talking about slowing down the aging process. You know, we want to maintain that youthful appearance, we want to maintain that firm skin, we want to look young. So that's what anti-aging basically is all about. So collagen helps for that. And of course, peptide. If you've trained with me, you have my ebook on natural skincare formulation. You see some of my recipes. We have peptides there. This is very good. Of course, it's a type of it's an amino acid chain that helps to stimulate collagen production and improve skin texture. So peptide helps to promote the collagen in your skin. Of course, it makes your skin firm, it improves the texture, and it gives you that radiant glow. It should be used at a percentage of 3 to 10. So in your formulation, it should not be used below 3%, and it should not be used overboard. It should not be used above 10%. Vitamin C is also popular, very popular. Okay, so whether you're taking it as a supplement or you're using it in your skincare product, it should be used between 0.5% to 10%. So it shouldn't be used above 10%, and do not use it below 0.5. If you are using it below 0.5, you will not get the benefit you're supposed to get from vitamin C. Vitamin C is a very good antioxidant, great for anti-aging. So you should at least take vitamin C every day. Okay, but know when to. If you're taking it as supplement, you should know the dosage to work with. It goes very well. You can take it with your collagen. It's a good pair. You can pair them together. Okay, and we have hyaluronic acid, my favorite ingredient when it comes to skincare. So you can use hyaluronic acid in your skincare product. I prefer it mostly in serum. We have what we call hyaluronic acid serum. That also helps to firm your skin, it helps to plump the skin, and it also helps to slow down the aging process. So if you're talking about anti-aging, you should talk about ingredients like hyaluronic acid, you should talk about collagen, you should talk about um, peptide, you should talk about retinoid, and of course vitamin C. Hyaluronic acid should be used between 0.1% to 3%. So you cannot use hyaluronic acid below 0.1 and expect any anti-aging benefit. No, you should use it at least 0.1% and not more than 3%. Okay, it's very, very good for anti-aging. So if you have hyaluronic acid serum at home, you shouldn't only use it on your face. It's good you also apply it on your hands. It helps to prevent wrinkles, you know, and those are signs of aging. You should also apply on your neck. So if you're taking care of your face alone, you are not doing well. Whatever facial product you're using on your face, use it on your neck also, and try to massage well to prevent signs of aging. Also, we have sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must. You cannot have this all nice ingredient in your skincare product, and at the end of the day, you are not using sunscreen. You need to protect your skin from the sun. You know, most time when we, especially when you're using skin lightening product, your skin becomes photosensitive to the sun. You know, just like when you hold a mirror and you're facing the sun, you see how it reflects. You know that reflect. That's how your skin, when you're light and you're eating lightning product during the day, you attract the sun. You are calling the sun to yourself, and that's why you see most time you get sunburn easily. So please, whatever you're doing, whether you are dark, you're caramel, or you're light skin, don't forget to use your sunscreen. Use it during the day. Your skin will thank you forever. Okay, it helps to slow down the signs of aging. Okay, sunscreen helps to protect you from the harmful ultraviolet rays. So protect your skin, especially when you are going out during the day. Try to use protective clothing and try to wear your sunscreen. Sunscreen can be incorporated in your product, and you can also get a separate sunscreen to use topically in your skin. Sunscreen should be applied like 30 minutes before you go out in the sun. Some sunscreen they will specify 15 minutes, some will say apply 30 minutes before you go out in the sun. And they have different SPF. So the longer you spend out in the sun, if you know you're going to spend more time in the sun, then you should use a stronger SPF. We have SPF 20, we have SPF 50, we have SPF 60, we have SPF 90. So you cannot say you're going to spend so long on the sun, you're going to spend so much time out in the sun and using SPF 20. It's not going to protect you enough. In fact, you should have your sunscreen in your bag. So as soon as you sweat, maybe every hour you just reapply them and rub it all over your hand. Those areas that are exposed to the sun. That is how to prevent premature aging, and of course to also protect your skin from aging, signs of aging. Okay, so you can incorporate this ingredient in your product if you want to target, if you want to take care of your skin and prevent premature aging, and you really want the anti-aging benefit. We also have alpha hydroxy acid, that is AHA. These ingredients, I said, they have usage rate. You cannot just go and start mixing things together. No. Okay? Like glycolic acid is a type of AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid. And of course, it also helps to fight wrinkles and fine line. It also helps to, it's an exfoliant, of course. It helps to exfoliate your skin too, and it makes your skin firm. Okay, it makes it firm. When your skin is firm, of course, those signs of aging will not be there, to not show. All right, so that's why it's also always advisable that you exfoliate your skin at least, no matter how busy you are. Try to exfoliate your skin, even if it's twice a week. It really helps a lot when we talk about anti-aging. And then we have vitamin E. Vitamin E is also an antioxidant. Okay, it helps when we talk about anti-aging. It's also a very good ingredient, but not as strong as collagen when we talk about the real, you know in fact, I'll say we have primary ingredient for anti-aging and secondary ingredient. If we are talking of the real ingredient to look at for when we talk about anti-aging, that's where we talk about collagen, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, retinoid, okay, peptide. But vitamin E also as an antioxidant plays a role in anti-aging. And yes, we have niacinamide. Niacinamide should be used between 2% to 6%. That means it should not be used below 2%, and not, it shouldn't be used above 6%. Okay? It's a form of vitamin B3. Okay. Vitamin B3 it's under niacinamide, and niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3, which should be used within the usage rate of 2% to 6%. Okay, it has anti-aging benefit, and it has anti-inflammatory benefits. It's good for anti-aging. Okay, so but I'm not going to say it's my top when we talk about anti-aging ingredient, although this is also helps, but it's not the main ingredient when we talk about anti-aging. Although I've seen case situation where niacinamide was used below 0.05 and even as high as 10%. But those are in rare cases, in special cases. So generally, it should be used between 2% to 6%. So these are key ingredients you should incorporate in your skincare regimen. These are key ingredients you should look at for when you're purchasing anti-aging products. Okay, remember I said these ingredients have their usage rate. Usage rate means if you use it within this specified rate percentage, then you're going to get the best out of that ingredient. I hope you find this video interesting. I hope you've learned something new today. Anti-aging treatment is a must for everyone. Whether you're young, whether you're old, you need anti-aging products. You need it as a supplement, you need it as topical product. Don't just use whitening, 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 or lightening, lightening, lightening product. Take time to skin build, take time to moisturize the skin well, and make sure you incorporate anti-aging product in your skincare routine. Your skin will thank you forever. You want your skin to look firm, you want it to look good. You don't want that thin skin. You don't want those wrinkles, okay, and those signs of aging. So please create time for anti-aging products in your skincare routine. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, like this video, share this video. Of course, it will encourage me to do more videos for you, okay? If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you haven't tried our product, yes, please patronize Miss Kinglo. We deliver worldwide. Distance is never a barrier. Send me a message at the WhatsApp number on the screen. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Follow Timix Kinglo on Instagram. If you want our products, skincare ingredients, or training, let me know. I'm waiting for you on WhatsApp. See you in my next video.